Hi, it's Ivan.
And it's Supatra. So today we had a cooking day at my house. And we made molten lava cake.
We also made chicken Alfredo, but she didn't want to film it. She was lazy.
And hungry. Okay, so we made a tutorial.
Kind of.
Joy.
Okay, so what you're gonna need is 4 ounces, which is 4 squares, or whatever, 4 ounces. And then this is the one we used, Baker's Semi-Sweet Baking Chocolate Squares. It's 8 ounces, so we took out 4. Okay, and then you're gonna need 1/4 of a cup of flour, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and 4 ounces of unsalted butter. Okay, so Ivan went ahead and broke the pieces of chocolate into 2. And I'm boiling water, and I'm going to put this bowl in the on top of the thing for a makeshift double boiler. Now we drop the pieces of chocolate in and hope they melt. Oh, babies. Stirring and melting. Yeah. Okay, so while he's in the chocolate, I'm going to crack the eggs into the bowl. Then we're gonna add the sugar into the bowl. And since I'm too lazy to get the electric mixer, I'll use the whisk. So we took the chocolate off the heat and we put the chopped butter in, and the chocolate will melt the butter. So now we're gonna take the bowl and put it into our egg and sugar mixture. Okay, so after the chocolate's been poured in, we're gonna add the all-purpose flour. And then we're gonna mix until there are no more lumps. So the oven is preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. So we bought ramekins at Target for $1.99 each, and basically you want to fill these up with the batter and bake them for 12 minutes.